If you've ever highlighted text in Microsoft Edge and had that little mini menu pop up, you're not alone. It can be useful for some people, but for many users, it just gets in the way and makes selecting text feel a little cluttered. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable the mini menu when selecting text in Edge, step by step, so your browsing experience feels cleaner and more distraction-free. And if this quick tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge settings and options area. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. Inside the settings page, you'll see different categories on the left-hand side. What you want to do is click on Accessibility. This is where Edge keeps options related to how text and page interactions behave. Once you're in Accessibility, look for the option that says Show Mini Menu when selecting text. By default, this may be turned on, which is why that small pop-up appears every time you highlight something. To disable it, simply toggle this setting off. As soon as you do that, Edge will stop showing the mini menu when you select text. Now you can highlight words, copy text, or move around the page without that extra menu appearing and interrupting your workflow. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference if you read a lot of articles, do research online, or just prefer a more minimal browser experience. And that's all there is to it. You've now turned off the mini menu when selecting text in Microsoft Edge in just a few clicks. If this tutorial saved you some time or made Edge a little easier to use, please give the video a like and subscribe for more helpful browser tips, Windows guides, and simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.